Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over with you how to create a social design to promote your KW Consumer app. Okay, so the first thing we want to do, of course, is log into our command platform. From here, we want to navigate to our Designs applet on the left-hand side. Now from there, we want to create a design. So we're going to hit Create Design in the top right corner. And because we want to create a social post to promote our app, we want to click on the social design and next. Now, once we click on that, it should redirect us to the WeBrand portion of command to start creating our app. As you can see, I was previously in here just making sure the app images are here. So it is already opening me up into lead generation and the KW app. However, if you were previously on a different section, it may prompt you or open you up there, or it may bring you into projects. Usually, this portion will bring you into wherever you kind of left off at. So if you're under projects, you can click templates. If you're under templates and you're on a different section, you can just hit lead generation and then the KW app. This will give you the templates that are available for the KW consumer app that you can customize and start sharing. Now, as you can see, there are quite a few. You can filter those based on the type of social design you're looking for. They have postcards, they have flyers, they also have social media graphics. So we're going to go ahead and select that one. And it's going to show us all of the available social graphics. Now, I'm going to keep it really simple. We're going to go ahead and just do this download my app one. And we're going to just hit use, okay? Now, from there, we're brought into the WeBrand editor, and we can start customizing this. So it says video tours, now playing on my app, download my app. You could do this a couple of ways. You could put your branded consumer app link on here. You can also create a QR code and use that if you'd like. If you're not sure where your branded consumer app link is, you can log back into command. And to find your branded consumer app link, you're going to go ahead and click the website's applet. From there, we're going to hit settings. And if we scroll down, you'll find your app URL settings. This will give you your branded link where you can copy that, and anyone that downloads that link should be downloading the app with you as the agent, okay? Now, a couple of things. You do need to make sure that your profile is in agent status, that you have an active license number included. Those things can be adjusted by your Market Center staff if they are not. But you can download this link to your phone, send it to yourself, download it, and make sure that's working properly to check that. But I'm going to copy this QR or this link, and we're going to go ahead and create a QR code. If I could type today, still can't type. We're going to go to qrcodemonkey.com for this, and I'm going to go ahead and paste my app link right here. Now, once I'm done, I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard, and it's going to create a new QR code for me. I'm going to download, and that's going to put that app onto my computer. It'll take just a minute here. All right, so there it is. Now I can come back to command, back into our designs, and I can go ahead and add that photo. So to add that, I'm going to go to my assets. I'm going to add new image, and I'm going to pull that in from my computer. It should be my top one right here. And now I can upload. Now that QR code is right here, I can throw this onto my design and resize it. I can put it here next to the download. I can put it down here, wherever you kind of would like. You can, of course, change the text on here if you want, whatever you want to do. You can also put this QR code on the phone if you want. Trying to see if that is the center. There we go. But that doesn't look like the center of the phone. There we go. Last thing, we of course always want to make sure we swap out our logo. You don't want to have the DBA, you want to have your Market Center specific logo. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the SLM one here and replace. It's going to put that logo into that exact same little space. And now I'm ready to go. Of course, I could add my name, my phone number, email, whatever you want on here. But if you just want to leave it as is, you can also just download this and post it to your social media. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as a JPEG and download. And now it will be on my computer to go ahead and go into campaigns and do a social post, or I can go directly to Facebook and create that. So whichever one you would like. After I'm all done, I can of course hit done. This image will be available in my projects so that I can go ahead and edit it if I want to and reuse it. So that is how to create a social post to promote your KW Consumer app. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at support@scholarlymarketing.com. We would be happy to help. Have a wonderful day.